Magandang gabi po, Boss Pablo. Hey, Sir Frank, kumusta naman kayo? Sorry, Frank! Parang wala na silang energy still, wala na sila. What is up, Mama?
18! Namiss niyo ba kami? To be honest, sobrang namiss namin kayo. We're gonna be in the US for 1 month. And we are really looking forward to, mag-perform ulit in front of you guys. And we are very happy na ganito yung energy niyo lahat. Kaya maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal na pinapadama niyo sa amin. From before up until now, 18, maraming salamat. We love you guys, for sure.
Yes. Again, good for Mama Arena! Siyempre namin po ang lahat. So, namin magpasalamat sa bawat isa sa inyo na nandito ngayon. Napakagaganda at gagwapo po lahat. Thank you for coming here tonight. And we are so glad to share the stage with other amazing artists. Kaya naman, maraming salamat din po, especially kay Nina Acer, and for having this evening showcase to showcase Filipino talents that always try to break the limits.
Siyempre po, maraming salamat